Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening settings. Make sure you're on the Realme C35 and unlocked. Once done, tap Settings and use the search bar to type, floating windows, or navigate to convenience tools. You're doing this now to avoid hunting menus later. This first action surfaces the option quickly. If you can't find it, check for Smart Sidebar. The location varies by version, and that's why we use Settings Search to save time and steps. Now you'll enable the feature and grant permissions. Toggle the floating windows or Smart Sidebar, switch to on, and then follow prompts to allow display over other apps and any accessibility access it requests. You do this so floating windows can appear on top of other content, which is the core permission. Next, open the Allowed Apps list and pick the apps you want to run in floating mode. This step controls which apps can create pop-up, resizable windows. Finish by launching an allowed app and invoking the floating window. Swipe the screen edge or tap the Smart Sidebar icon, then select the app to pop up. You can drag to move, pinch or drag corners to resize, and tap X to close. If the window doesn't appear, reboot the phone, then recheck display over apps and accessibility permissions. Make sure battery saver or app power optimization isn't blocking background overlay, because those often stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.